Dining Elegance. Decoding the Menu in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an essential part of business dining etiquette, understanding the menu. Whether you're at a formal business lunch or just want to dine with confidence, this video will guide you through the basics of interpreting a menu in English. So, let's get started. Menus often categorize dishes into different sections. Let's look at some of the most common ones. 1. Appetizers, starters. These are small dishes served before the main course to whet your appetite. 2. Main course, entrees. The primary dish of the meal. This could be anything from steaks to pastas or salads. 3. Sides. Additional dishes that complement the main course. Examples include French fries, vegetables, or bread. 4. Desserts. Sweet dishes served after the main course. Think cakes, ice creams, and pastries. 5. Beverages. List of drinks available, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic. You might notice small symbols or words next to dishes. They often indicate dietary information. 1. V. Vegetarian. 2. VG. Vegan. 3. GF. Gluten-free. 4. N. Contains nuts. Tip: if you have dietary restrictions, always ask the server for more information. When ordering, it's common to make special requests or modifications to a dish. Here are some phrases that might come in handy. 1. Can I have the chicken salad without the dressing? 2. Is it possible to replace the fries with a side salad? 3. I'd like the steak medium rare. Remember, it's always polite to ask if such changes are possible rather than assuming. If you're unsure about what to order, it's perfectly okay to ask for recommendations. Here are some phrases you can use. 1. What's the chef's special today? 2. Can you recommend a vegetarian dish? 3. What's the most popular dish here? Your server can be a valuable guide in helping you choose a delicious meal. Understanding a menu can greatly enhance your dining experience. Not only does it show that you're informed, but it also helps you make confident choices that cater to your taste and dietary needs. We hope this video has shed some light on English dining menus for you. Until next time, happy dining!